A colorful road winds through green hills. 7 smiling monster trucks drive toward the camera while cheerful music plays. Balloons float in the sky, and a rainbow stretches overhead. Hello, little friends. Welcome to Monster Truck Color Adventure. Today we're going to learn amazing colors with our happy monster truck friends. Are you ready? Let's go. A shiny red monster truck drives through an apple orchard, honking happily. Red balloons and red flowers decorate the road. This is the red monster truck. Red like apples. Red like roses. Can you say, red? Great job. Red, red, red. A smiling blue monster truck splashes through a river with friendly dolphins and fish. Here comes the blue monster truck. Blue like the sky. Blue like the ocean. Everybody say, blue, fantastic. Blue, blue, blue. A yellow monster truck drives through a sunny sunflower field. Butterflies fly around as the truck waves. Look. It's the yellow monster truck. Yellow like the bright sun. Yellow like bananas. Say it with me, yellow. Yellow, yellow. A green monster truck bounces through a forest with frogs, trees, and grass. This is the green monster truck. Green like grass. Green like trees. Let's all shout, green, green, green. An orange monster truck rolls through an orange grove while oranges bounce playfully. Meet the orange monster truck. Orange like oranges. Orange like pumpkins. Say it together. Orange, orange, orange. A purple monster truck drives through a magical garden filled with purple grapes and lavender flowers. Wow! Here's the purple monster truck. Purple like grapes. Purple like pretty flowers. Can you say purple? Great, purple, purple, purple. All the colorful monster trucks race together under a rainbow while confetti falls and children cheer. Let's remember our colors. Red, blue, yellow, green, orange, purple. You're doing an amazing job. The monster trucks wave goodbye as they drive toward a rainbow sunset. Fireworks sparkled gently in the sky. Fantastic work, everyone. You learned so many colors today. Give yourself a big clap. Don't forget to wave goodbye to our monster truck friends. See you in the next adventure. Bye-bye.